Welcome to Alley Picked, and today's quick tip. For today's quick tip, I want to talk to you about LED strip lighting. So I'm always looking for ways to improve my shop or my house cheaply. Having the right lighting in all the right places is one of those ways. About 10 years ago, I installed some new kitchen cabinets. On the top of those cabinets, I laid out some lighting. Back then, it was called rope lighting. We didn't have a big selection. The problem is, this is not extremely bright. Now, I've been accused of the same thing, so I know the feeling. But nowadays, you've got a lot more options at a way better price than I did 10 years ago when I first put those in. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Check out what you can buy on Amazon for a measly 15 bucks. 2 rolls of strip lights, each is 10 meters long. They look like old film reels. A remote control, a transformer to plug in the lights, some optional sticky foam, even though the back of the lights has this peel-off strip which runs the whole length of the light, some screws and clips for optional mounting, and the basic instructions. To operate the lights, remove the end cap from each of the roll of lights, plug it into one of the whips coming off of the transformer, and then line up the arrows. Remove the plastic film on the remote control that separates the battery. It also comes with a spare battery. Plug the transformer into a 120 volt outlet. Now we watch the magic. Hit the power button first to turn on the lights. Start pushing buttons on the remote. Most of them are pretty self-explanatory. Push one of the color buttons and the lights will change to that color. So there's a lot of really cool features that come with this. I'm probably never going to use them all, but having the versatility is pretty cool. All at your fingertips in the form of this remote control. You can change them to any color, any brightness. You can set a timer to turn them off after a few hours. You can set them to change colors, to turn on and off with your own voice or with the beat of some music. Now, I'm not going to get into every option. I'm a pretty boring guy, and once I've got this thing set to the right brightness and the right color, I'll probably never use the remote control again. But since a picture is worth 1,000 words, let me show you what my kitchen looked like before using the old rope lights and now with the new LED strip lights. Here's a picture using the rope lights. Barely enough light to take a picture. Now, here's the LED white light. Big difference. And if you don't want white light, you can change it to any color with the touch of a button. Now that's a pretty dramatic difference. Use your own creativity. They don't have to go in the kitchen. You can put them any place in your house. Use your imagination. I just figured that this option was worth passing along. Thanks for watching Alley Picked and today's quick tip.